Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So this is the Flysky FS-GT3B radio and transmitter. The reason why I even bought this was because my HPI Savage still had the old school 27 megahertz radio and transmitter, and I didn't want to be using that anymore because it's you could just feel the delay when you go to use it. I ended up swapping out the one that I had for the Baja buggy that I have and putting it with the Savage, and this new transmitter and receiver is going to go on the buggy. But this is a little unboxing video just to show you guys what it looks like when you open it up. I'll flip it over. That's exactly what it comes with. You got the manual, got your little receiver, binder, a little new antenna. Right here. Brand new. Feels really good too. For $35, I don't think you can go wrong, but I'm gonna get this installed and get back to you guys, see how it works. Alright YouTube, I have it basically set up right now. Got the throttle, brake, steering set up. What I'm gonna do now is just set the failsafe. Oh, and if anyone wants the old transmitter and receiver, you can just ask me. You can just have it. Let's put you guys on a stand, and I'll be back. Alright YouTube, so I'm back. So we have everything on right now. It's gonna set the failsafe. Should be pretty self-explanatory. You hold the brake on your receiver. Judging. Oh wait, this might be reversed right now. So you're gonna hold the brake, and on the receiver using your little push pin, right? You're just gonna press the little button, and it should be set now. So watch this. I'm gonna turn this off. Automatic brakes. Perfect. And I didn't have to bind it or do any of that other stuff, so that's also good. Alright, Diesel Dan Peters signing out.